Can we really trust Samsung's new update timeline this time, or is it just another promise that ends in disappointment? For months, Samsung users have been waiting for the Android 15 base One UI 7 update, but instead of a smooth rollout, what they got was a long delay followed by even more confusion. The Galaxy S24 series, along with the Z Fold 6 and Z Flip 6, were supposed to get the update early, but things didn't go as planned. Now Samsung says they've sorted it out and share a fresh schedule. But after everything that's happened, many users are staying cautious. According to this new plan, the Galaxy S24, S24 Plus, S24 Ultra, Z Flip 6, and Z Fold 6 will get One UI 7 in April 2025. This update is basically a second attempt for these models, as the first rollout came with bugs and slow performance. Samsung is now trying to get it right by going back to square one. Next May is looking packed. Samsung plans to roll out the update to a wide range of devices, from premium flagships to tablets and older foldables. This includes the Galaxy Tab S10 Plus, Tab S10 Ultra, Z Flip 5, Z Fold 5, the full Galaxy S23 series, the S24 FE, Z Flip 4, Z Fold 4, the Tab S9 models, and even the Galaxy Z Flip 3 and Fold 3. On top of that, the Galaxy S21 lineup, S23 FE, Tab S8 series, and Galaxy S22 phones are also listed for May. Then comes June, and that's when things start to look overly ambitious. Samsung says it will push the update to a long list of mid-range models, and we're talking over 30 different phones. These include the Galaxy A16 5G, A35 5G, A55 5G, F16 5G, M16 5G, M35 5G, A05s, A15 5G, A25 5G, F55 5G, and M55's 5G, among others. Wrapping up the timeline, the Galaxy Tab S9 is expected to get the update in July. Now, the real question is, does this timeline look possible? Based on how things have played out so far, it's hard to say yes with confidence. When One UI 7 first appeared in South Korea, Samsung had a similar plan in place. Updates were promised for many models by March or April, but here we are, and most of those updates are still pending. In fact, phones like the Galaxy Z Fold 5, Z Flip 5, and the entire S23 series are now expected to get the update in May, months later than planned. It's fair to say that rollout schedules might differ from one region to another, but with delays this big, the problem looks much larger than just regional timelines. Some newer phones like the Galaxy S34, S35, and S60 were supposed to get One UI 7 in May, but are now pushed to June. The Tab S9 is now moved from June to July, even though Samsung is sticking to the May deadline for the Galaxy S21, S22, and Tab S8 series. Users are skeptical. There's just too much going on. Updating so many phones in such a short time sounds more like wishful thinking than a solid plan. At this point, users just want something reliable. If Samsung can pull off the restart for the S24, Z Flip 6, and Z Fold 6 without major problems, it could finally turn things around. But until those updates actually land and work properly, it's best not to get too hopeful. If you're using a Samsung device and waiting on this update, hang in there. We'll keep sharing honest updates so you're not left guessing. If this video helped you out, don't forget to hit the like button and subscribe to our channel. We'll keep breaking down what's real and what's not in the tech world. Samsung's upcoming foldable phones, the Galaxy Z Fold 7 and Galaxy Z Flip 7, have been the talk of the tech world, with new leaks and rumors raising the anticipation for what's next. After the release of the Galaxy S25, Samsung fans are shifting their focus to these foldables, wondering if Samsung can finally perfect the foldable phone experience. If the latest rumors are true, we may be looking at some of the most impressive upgrades yet. One of the most exciting improvements expected is the display. The craze on foldable screens has been a major concern for users, but it seems Samsung may have found a way to nearly eliminate it on the Galaxy Z Fold 7. Reports suggest that the crease will be almost gone, with users barely noticing it during normal use. While it may still be visible under certain lighting conditions, this would be a major step forward in foldable technology, setting a new standard for the industry. However, there may be no major changes in screen brightness. Both the Galaxy Z Fold 7 and Galaxy Z Flip 7 are rumored to have a peak brightness of 2,600 nits, the same as previous models. While this is still one of the brightest displays available, some users had hoped for an even brighter screen. It appears Samsung is focusing on other aspects of the user experience, like improved audio quality. The Galaxy Z Fold 7 is expected to come with better loudspeakers, offering clearer and more immersive sound. In terms of performance, Samsung is expected to make these foldables more powerful than ever. Both the Galaxy Z Fold 7 and Galaxy Z Flip 7 are rumored to come with 12 gigabytes of random access memory, RAM, as standard, providing a smoother multitasking experience. The Galaxy Z Flip 7 could offer storage options of 256 gigabytes and 512 gigabytes, while the Galaxy Z Fold 7 could go up to a hopping 1 terabyte of storage. For processing power, the Galaxy Z Flip 7 may use the Exynos 2500 chip, while the Galaxy Z Fold 7 could be powered by the Snapdragon 8 Elite for Galaxy chip, ensuring faster performance and improved efficiency. Durability is another area where Samsung is making strides. The Galaxy Z Fold 7 and Galaxy Z Flip 7 are expected to feature a refined hinge design, making them even more durable. The smoother hinge will improve the feel of opening and closing the device, while also making it more resistant to wear over time. Battery capacity, however, might not see much of an improvement. Leaks suggest that neither device will feature a larger battery, which could disappoint users looking for longer-lasting battery life. On the plus side, the Galaxy Z Fold 7 is expected to support 45-watt fast charging, allowing users to charge their devices more quickly. Both models could also include larger vapor chamber cooling systems to help keep temperatures lower during intensive tasks like gaming or video editing. Camera upgrades are expected as well. The Galaxy Z Fold 7 might feature a 200-megapixel primary camera, a significant upgrade from previous models. Meanwhile, the Galaxy Z Flip 7 is expected to stick with its predecessor's 50-megapixel and 12-megapixel dual camera setup. While the camera improvements on the Galaxy Z Flip 7 may not be groundbreaking, the Galaxy Z Fold 7's upgraded camera could make it a more appealing choice for photography enthusiasts. On the software side, both foldables are expected to launch with One UI 7.1, Samsung's latest software update, bringing new features, improved performance, and better customization options. This will enhance the overall user experience, offering smoother navigation and better functionality. As for the release date, Samsung is rumored to begin mass production of the Galaxy Z Fold 7 and Galaxy Z Flip 7 in May 2025, with an official launch expected in August. The exciting news is that there may not be a price increase, making these foldable phones even more attractive to potential buyers. In addition to the new foldables, Samsung might also be working on a dual folding phone and a Galaxy Z Flip Fan Edition, which could make for one of the most exciting launches in years. So what do you think about these rumored upgrades? Are they enough to convince you to make the switch to a foldable phone? Let us know in the comments. And if you found this video helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe for more updates on the latest tech. The use of titanium or a more lightweight aluminum frame could help achieve this balance. The display technology could also be improved, potentially incorporating LTPO panels for better energy efficiency. Some analysts remain skeptical about the possibility of an iPhone Air launching this soon. Apple typically unveils new iPhone models in September, making a mid-year release unusual. However, the company has surprised consumers in the past with unexpected product launches. If an iPhone Air is not announced at this event, it could still be in development for a future release. While many expect Apple to announce new MacBook Air models with M4 chips, the possibility of an iPhone Air is generating significant excitement. A device that focuses on thinness, efficiency, and portability could attract users who prefer a sleek, high-performance smartphone. If Apple does introduce an iPhone Air, it could mark the beginning of a new product category in the iPhone lineup. Apple's teaser has successfully created anticipation, and the official announcement will reveal whether the speculation is correct. If the company introduces an iPhone Air, it could set new standards for lightweight flagship smartphones. Until then, consumers will have to wait and see what Apple has in store. Thanks for watching, and I will see you in the next video.